Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, you know it, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it is Sunday and it is time for a shave. Today's shave soap is by Master Soap Creations, and this is Only the Brave. Now, this scent is a masculine cologne scent. I don't think I've shown this on the channel before. This is a dupe for Diesel, Only the Brave, and I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my Yaqi 24 millimeter. I think they call this the space, or I don't know, some kind of crazy name as far as the space. But I think, I don't know, midnight space or something like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and get lathered up here. No pre-shave today, just gonna hit it and hit it hard. I do like using the Master Soap Creation soaps. They're pretty nice. I only have one of their splashes. I need to probably get the matching splash for this one, but you know how it goes. Every time, you know, here lately, whenever I get a soap, I've kind of just started getting the soap only. And then if I fall in love with it, I will grab a splash. But, you know, whenever you're getting stuff, it's like, how much room do you have in a shelf? So that's kind of an issue for me. Today's razor is going to be the Apollo Lite. And here's what it looks like. It's all stainless steel. Beautiful razor. I love the slim profile on the head. Sorry, I'm looking away from you. It's pretty windy out today. Here's what the top cap and base plate look like. And I'm going to be using a Gillette Platinum blade. We're just going to throw that into there and set the top cap on. And the finish and tolerance on this razor is excellent. There's no issues with blade alignment or anything like that. There you go. Ooh. All right, let's warm up the razor and get to going. I don't have my eyes in today, so you may see me doing a little squinting. This is a nice, I would say, mild razor. It's just on the verge of being medium. Soap has plenty of residual slickness there. Oh yes. I love it when a shave comes together. I'm actually rinsing in cold water. Oh yeah. 2 days worth of growth. I got out of the funk I was in the other day. Sorry about that. Oh yeah. Wow. This blade and razor combo is excellent. Nice and smooth. No problems cutting. And it is efficient. Not a whole lot of blade feel, which is excellent. Go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. Did I tell you this is a Badger knot? And I finally got that broke in. It was too close to the working end when I first got it, so I had to do a little bit of extra just to get the smell out. But now that it's broken in and all that, it's very nice and soft. Do you guys have any new shave gear? Let me know in the comments below. I am still holding out for the razor of the year, which will probably never come out. They've been taunting us for quite some time, and that is the Home-Like Shaving adjustable slant. I don't know why, but I want that razor. And I just went through and did my den thin, reorganized my shelf, altered that, and I've told myself I'm not buying any more razors this year unless that one comes out. I'm going to get cleaned up with a cold water rinse, and I will be right back. I do have the ice cube here, and it is dwindling down. It's probably time to break out another one. Oh, that feels so nice. Starting to warm up here. I turned the air on the other day. All right, and what am I going to do now? Oh yes, I'm going to follow that up with the Stirling Unscented Glacial Aftershave Splash. It's got real bits of menthol, so you know it's good. And I'm going to be using some balm to go with it. Oh, yes. What a shave. Well, I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today. And we can write down in the history book of shaving, excellent shave, close, nice, and presentable. I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.